Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is about to be a banger video. I'm really excited to do this. So, last video I showed you I bought tires and wheels and I bought a 5-inch suspension lift for my buddy's 2019 L5P. It's a Chevy, still nice though. So I'm gonna call him and try to tell him I need a part or something to finish my truck. And hopefully he'll come over here to help me, but actually we're gonna surprise him with this lift and tires. So, I'm gonna give him a call real quick. Here's his number if you want it. Yeah, just kidding.
Hello.
Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing, just in town.
You in Zephyros?
Yeah.
By chance you think you can run to O'Reilly's for me?
Yeah, what do you need?
So I got these little covers that go over my torsion bar. That makes them not look like torsion bars, and I need to take my torsion bar out. So I need a torsion bar tool to take them out, mount these brackets on, and then put them back in. But I have my truck apart.
Alright. Where are you at?
I'm over at Derek's. You came here
Yeah,
whenever
I got you.
you know where I'm at?
Yeah, I got you. Alright, I'll go get it for you.
Alright, I'll see you when you get here.
Alright. Alright, see ya.
Hopefully he's not gonna, he can't catch on. There's nothing for him to catch on to. He doesn't even know it yet. Oh, dude, look at that bullet antenna. Dude, she's matching. Buddy, where'd you get your antenna?
My girlfriend got it for me for Christmas.
It's pretty sweet, dude.
Oh yeah. Got your tool.
Sweet. Hey, buddy.
I thought your truck was apart.
Well, I lied on that part. All right, Carter, maybe I lied that the truck is apart. Maybe.
Yeah?
But, you want to help me install these on my truck?
Can you clear them?
They're the same ones on there, just full tread.
Oh, what do you got, a lift back here too? Finally.
Think there's a lift on there or something?
I mean, I see the name on it.
What's it say it fits though? What's that say?
It says 11 to 19.
It might be for your truck.
No. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it is.
No. I don't need all that.
We're going to pull this out and we're going to put your truck in here and lift it.
No way.
Absolutely.
You're messing with me. Bro, it's not even April. Can't be April Fool's right now.
You have to pay to get the tires installed though. I'm not doing that.
That'll work. No. You're messing with me.
I'm being serious.
No, you gotta be
I'm being dead serious.
No,
Does that say it'll fit my truck?
it won't. Maybe
Who has a 19?
I do have a 19.
Maybe we'll just put it on Cass's truck then.
No, I can't have her. I can't have her.
All right, I'm gonna pull this out. We're putting your truck in here and taking it apart.
Okay.
All right.
No way.
Move
Move my truck.
Later. Some big meat Larry Hoovers, huh?
Oh yeah. Big old difference.
About 4 or 5 inches different.
That's crazy.
Episode of laptop.
What do we got here?
Got ourselves a lift kit.
Oh.
You're gonna love this.
Oh.
That's all I'm happy about.
Steel
right here.
braided. Can I put those on my truck actually? Those are nice.
No, I'll just keep them.
Came with bolts. This might be an easy job.
Torsion bar drop.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Do we need those?
You might want to take that back.
Do we need those?
Okay.
Dang it. There we go. That's what we want to see.
Is this Max Track?
Does it have a label on it? Or is that the rear one?
Yes, sir.
That's the rear. You got light bar brackets for the windshield or what?
Yeah. Did you order this from Custom Offset?
Yeah, I don't know, dude.
Best part about it, came with a sticker.
Put that across the windshield, dude.
Yeah, boy.
Get you a rough country sticker. All right, so we got bolts that came out of this box. Out of that box. What is that?
This is the rear diff.
What is that?
I think it's the diff drop. Maybe.
That's a massive diff drop. Is that a ball joint drop? What is that?
Drive shaft holder.
Yeah. Drive shaft drop.
Oh, that's the diff mount, actually. That's actually a diff mount. These bolt around the diff part. And then you put the rubber in it. That right there is... Oh, that's your sway bar. Sway bar drops. Yes.
Yeah, they got stuff in the bump stops too.
There's the one we want to see. That's the front one, right?
Yep. It's another sticker.
Is that toilet paper? Ooh, that's a windshield one for sure.
Nice.
Back window? What color?
Oh.
Black?
Oh, this one's white.
There a chrome one in there?
It's right here.
Fords think they're cool or something.
Fords, dude.
Unreal.
We got the green zone.
Green one? I'll be honest with you. Junk. Do not put these on your truck. Let's see the logo. Is there no logo?
No.
Oh, I might order one then if there's not a logo.
No.
Wait a minute. Oh, I'm ordering one then.
On a level 1 to 5, this is a level 4 difficult.
I don't know how to read. Is there pictures? Hold
we need
on.
some.
Is there pictures? We're
we need some
screwed.
drill
Oh,
bits.
there is pictures. We're good.
We're
We're good.
good.
We're good.
Oh, we need.
We got drill bits.
We need drill bits.
We got them.
All right. Well, you're gonna need that probably because you're installing it.
Okay.
'Cause if you bought it, you gotta install it, right? That's how it goes.
I wasn't 100% on that part.
Whatever. Zip ties. We got some zip ties. Let's see what this is right here.
I know what that is.
Ooh, I think I do too.
What are we gonna do with it?
That's going in the trash.
We don't need that.
I don't even want to look at that. That box.
I think that's your bump stop stuff. I think.
Yeah. Yep, that is. And then we don't need to take that out yet.
Ooh, I didn't know it came with those. I didn't see that
Spindle
part.
drop.
I didn't see that part in the description.
I saw that. I've been looking at these lift kits for a while. That's
I didn't.
really what I wanted.
I didn't see those. But your truck's four-wheel drive. Will that work? Spindles are only.
You bought it. I mean, you should.
I don't
I hope
know.
it works. I mean, I guess we'll figure that out when we get there.
Yeah, let's just take everything apart and we'll figure out if it works or not.
Let's do it.
All right. Well, let's see what's in that one.
Same thing.
Oh, that's gonna be the same thing. Yeah. But I seen you hide something from me. Did you not want to install this? Did you not want to install that?
Oh, what is that? 3-inch rear. No. Rear lift? That's. I ain't going. Hell no.
Are you sure?
No.
We're squatting it.
We don't put rear lifts in around here.
I mean, it's half the work.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it then.
Easier. Screw it.
All right, so we got the front tires off, and we're just gonna take basically everything out and then start to install all the new parts. But right now, I'm gonna take the torsion bars out, unload it, so that it's not so much stress, and then I can take all the the A-arms out, shock, sway bar, everything else. All right, we got Carter working on his own lift.
My zone lift.
We're working on taking the spindle out right now.
Why doesn't it come?
Do it one more time.
I'm left-handed on the right side now.
There it is. All right, so both sides are almost apart. We can start putting the hub and everything onto the new spindles. Taking the lower control arms out.
Huh?
Huh?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Me either.
I looked at the pictures on the thing, and it said to take it to an authorized mechanic.
Dealer.
Yeah, or something. I don't know. It's not me, but he can pay me to do it anyway.
What is that? Which one is that?
This
Which
is the
one?
passenger driver.
That's definitely the driver passenger.
The driver's passenger?
Yeah.
No, that's definitely the driver.
That's definitely a passenger driver. Driver.
Over.
Over. Come on back.
Over.
What's that for? Are you supposed to bleed it?
That
That's to bleed the
is.
spindle.
That makes sense.
It's so that, you know, like whenever you do concrete, you gotta leave a crack in it. Basically, it's so that whenever the metal settles, it doesn't crack.
Fucking dumbass!
Golly. What do you, it ain't gonna change itself.
I'm waiting on you.
What do you mean? I loosened everything for you.
You got it for
What are
me.
you doing, bucko? I loosened them all
you
besides
gotta
that
get
one.
this right here loose first.
Yeah,
Come on, quit playing around.
driver.
Where's the size?
It's right
It's
there.
right there. Over there. Right here. Over there. Right here. Right. Look, it's right here. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take these steps off and I'm gonna put them on my dad's truck. My dad has these ugly black steps, so we're gonna switch these over, and then I'm just gonna wait until I get the Luma steps. Then we can do a full video of me wiring them up. All right, so the steps are off my truck. Now they are on Dad's truck. Now he can actually step up in there. All right, so this was really throwing me off. So we got a diagonal line, but we got straight cuts, so I wasn't understanding. So this is the driver's side back cross member. This is the front of the driver's side cross member. That's how you get that diagonal cut. So we go 1 1/4 and then 2 1/2. So that's how we get our diagonal cut. Only driver's side gets cut. All right, there we go. Dang, dude, that's a perfect cut. Picasso. All right, so we got drop brackets installed. We just got to drill the bottoms out and put those bolts in them. Swamp Dog came to help us. Diff in.
From the back? Yeah.
From the back, from the back?
From the back, boy. Get in your hole.
I'm off.
All right, guys, we haven't been recording. We've been trying to knock this out. Bump stops are in, CV axle's in, torsion bar's in, lower control arm's in. Now we get to assemble the spindle back on, change the brake lines, sway bar links, fix the alignment, and that's about it. You excited to see what it looks like?
Yeah. Finally.
A little excited, huh?
Oh yeah.
I wouldn't even tighten those yet.
I know. I'm just
Tighten those after we do the spindle. Because if you put stress on it now, then we're gonna fight the lower control arm going up. So
already-
we'll,
and it's
I'm gonna
already
put.
gonna be a
So we'll
pain.
put the jack under there. Go
a
ahead and hook.
plunger?
Go ahead and hook the spindle up. There we go, dude. We're getting somewhere.
17 hours later.
This was on bottom. Flips around top. You ain't got to lower the steering. Ain't that right? Idiot. All right, we're getting tools picked up. You got new brake lines on. Calipers are on. I tightened the lower control arm bolts, letting this gravity feed while we're cleaning up and tightening the rest of the stuff. All the bolts seem to be tight. Sway bars are back in. All we gotta do is put the keys in, adjust it where we want it, put spacers on, put the tires back on. Shocks are not long enough. Shocks will be here, what'd you say, Monday?
Yeah, I'll be here Monday.
Monday's tomorrow, so shocks will be in soon. Other than that, we're almost done. We're almost buttoned up. Ooh, look at that. Look at that old rig. Dang. Yeah. Then we get to put those grapps on these Chevy stocks. I'm not really a fan of them, but they probably will look good on the grapps. So, yeah, we'll get some videos of this thing once the grapps are on. All right, guys, it's on its own 4 legs now. Everything's all tidied up. I'd only crank the keys about 3 turns until these get mounted. And then we'll crank them up and do the alignment. But hopefully he's gonna order some upper control arms. Getting a little too close. These things are gonna actually look good on here. You like it or what?
Oh yeah.
Not too shabby, huh?